Make sure all your micro relays and switches are in working order before tearing into your fuel pump. Any 2001 and up Harley Davidson can easily diagnose their fuel system by plugging this into the check valve. Tool MC500 doesn't read anywhere under 55 to 62 psi. Probably have an issue anywhere in between there. So anytime you go in there, get a new fuel pump assembly. I recommend Quantum. Get a new fuel filter or strainer, whatever you got, and then the regulator, and then don't forget to check the housing, make sure that's not cracked. Then from there, don't forget, I like new top plate, gasket, and screws, just so you don't smell any fuel. 2008 to 22 will also require Jim's part number 954 and top plate gasket 61402-8. And then don't forget a check valve, because this is very common for these to just start leaking at any time. So while you've already got the tank off, you might as well do that.